Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to permanently delete an Instagram account. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device or go to the website in your browser and make sure you're logged in into the account you want to delete. Now once logged in, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select More, then Settings. Now at the top of the settings page, you'll see the Account Center option. Tap on it to open your Meta-linked account settings. In there, select Personal Details, and then tap Account Ownership and Control. This section lets you manage your data, deactivation and deletion preferences for Instagram, Facebook, Messenger accounts linked under Meta. Next, tap Deactivation or Deletion and you'll then be asked to select the profile you want to delete if you have multiple accounts linked. Just choose Delete Account, then tap Continue. Instagram will display a confirmation message and ask for a reason before completing the process. Just follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision. Once you confirm the deletion, your Instagram account and its all content will be permanently erased after 30 days. If you simply want to break or you want to choose the Deactivate account instead, this temporarily hides your profile and content until you log back in. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.